Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to quickly add some protection to the bed of our F-150. When we got this 2016 F-150, it didn't come with a bed liner, so the bed pretty much immediately started getting abused. So today we're going to protect it from future damage by installing this WeatherTech bed and tailgate TechLiner. This is WeatherTech's bed and tailgate TechLiner for your 2015 to 18 F-150 and Raptor. They are sold individually, but today we're installing them together because it just makes sense. They're made of high-quality thermoplastic material with a durable, flexible, and chemical-resistant black finish to keep your bed and tailgate protected and looking good. They're designed to perfectly contour your truck for a nice sleek look, and they're easy to remove for cleaning. For fitment and pricing of these TechLiners, click the links in the description down below. Now let's get to the installation. The first thing you want to do before you install this bed liner is lay it face down for a couple hours to make sure it gets into its proper shape. To make this install a little easier, we're going to lower and then remove the tailgate and then clean the bed with soap and water and then glass cleaner. Remove the tailgate cables. Before the tailgate can be removed, you need to disconnect the wiring harness that goes to it. And now it can be removed. Line up the slot on the tailgate and then remove it. Wipe down your entire bed with the soap and water and then the glass cleaner to make sure it is perfectly clean and that the adhesive can stick to it. Once your bed is clean, you can slide the TechLiner into place. Now if you flip this up, you'll notice there's a bunch of sticky pads on the back of here. Now what you need to do is locate where each one is. Then you can use the provided alcohol wipes to wipe the area of the bed where the sticky pads are going to adhere to. Okay, so get an idea of where they're going to stick and then clean the bed. Now this TechLiner is covered in these sticky pads. We're only going to show you doing these three, but make sure you get all of them. And then just repeat this process for the rest of the sticky pads. Then you're going to peel off the backing to the sticky pads to stick them to the bed. And push down for about 15 seconds on each one to make sure it's nice and secure. Reinstall your tailgate. If you're having trouble with the TechLiner contouring to the bed of your truck, put some weights on the corners and it'll form nicely, or let it sit in the sun a little bit longer. Now we're going to move on to the tailgate liner. Now with the tailgate TechLiner, just like the bed, you want to clean the whole surface with soap and water and then glass cleaner to make sure it is perfectly clean. Use the provided T25 Torx bit in the kit and remove these 4 screws, but loosen these 4. Use the 3 plastic trim pieces from the kit and install them onto the access panel. And make sure they are flush against each other. Tighten the 4 screws that we previously loosened. Place the tailgate liner onto the tailgate and slide this edge under the trim that you just installed. And make sure all your holes are lined up. Place the factory screws through the provided plastic washers, then install these onto the tailgate liner. Get them all started before you tighten them down. Pull back on the front of the tailgate liner and you'll notice that there's 4 Velcro pads on here. What you want to do is find out where they're going to stick onto the tailgate and then clean that surface with the provided alcohol wipe. Then peel off the backing to the sticky pads. Then press it onto the tailgate. Put pressure on the Velcro to make sure it sticks. Then our installation for this bed and tailgate liner is done. Okay, we got our WeatherTech tailgate and bed TechLiners installed. They definitely make this truck look a lot cleaner in the bed. You don't see the scratches and damage anymore. It's going to keep it protected from future damage, and installing this really was simple. All you have to do is really clean the bed. It should take you less than an hour to do both, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.